Hello guys, this is Dan with Surf Apartments, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today we're going to rekey a Kwikset Deadbolt. I'll show you how to tear it down, how to gauge the pin sizes on your key, and then put it all back together. Hopefully it's going to work. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see here, we have a Kwikset Deadbolt. I'm going to show you the steps on rekeying this lock. So stand by, we'll get ready to tear this thing down and rekey it, put it back together, see what we get. Here goes. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take the little tab off here. We'll grab our little tool, pinch that off. Now let's take the cylinder out of it. Insert the key that works on the lock. Turn it a little bit. Take this piece, slide it back here. This is going to keep the pins in the upper cylinder. Slide it right onto it. There you go. Now you have your lock cylinder. Now we'll get a new key, gauge the pin sizes, and rekey it, put it all back together. Okay, now let's gauge this key. We're going to rekey the deadbolt to a new key. You're going to grab your gauge, 0 through 7, this tells you your pin sizes. Slide it over the last notch where it stops. It's on the number 5 slot. The next slot is on the number 4, number 1, number 5, and number 3. So now we're going to go through our pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your pin numbers. And we're going to put the pins in the cylinder. First number is a 5, so we'll grab a number 5 pin and then we'll just go from there. Once all your pins are in the hole, grab your key, slip it in. Want to make sure everything is level. The last number is a little high, so we're going to adjust that. Probably misgauged it. It should be a 3. I might have said 3 and grabbed a 4. Now everything is level. Now we can put this lock back together. Alright, we're going to put this lock back together. Same process as before. Turn it slightly. Slide it on. Make sure you hold on to it so that it doesn't slide back out and drop any of your pins. Slide the arm back in. Slide this on. That locks everything in place. Key works great. Okay, that's the rekeying of a Kwikset Deadbolt.